Hi guys, here's a quick look of the 5 books I chose to catalog for this project. Our first grade does a big science unit covering weather, and since I'd like to continue working with K through 2 students as a media specialist, I wanted to catalog books that age of students might use or that their teachers might want to use. So let's jump right into our first book. The first book is called Advisories to 0 Degrees, Weather from A to Z. It's an alphabet book. And for this book, I was able to find most of the information on tidal wave. So the title is Advisory to 0 Degrees. The subtitle is Weather from A to Z. It was published in 2008. It is in a series called Let's See A to Z. It was reviewed by Hornbook in 2007. It's meant for K through 3 students. It's in the AR program worth half a point. And I try to find some subjects that would be relevant. So meteorology, weather, alphabet, or sciences, nature. And it is nonfiction. Our next one. The next one's called Air and Weather, Where'd My Hat Go? And again, for this one, I found a lot of the info on tidal wave, the ISBN, LCCN, title and subtitle, published in 2011. It's also in a series called iScience Readers. It was reviewed by Booklist in 2011. Meant for K through 3 students. It's in the AR program worth half a point. And for this one, for the subject terms, I chose atmosphere, air, weather, or sciences. Clothing, because it talks about what you wear in the different types of weather, is nonfiction. The next one is Alert Wild Weather, and this one gave me a little bit of trouble. Tidal Wave didn't have the LCCN listed, so I went onto Library of Congress's website, and I couldn't find it until I eliminated the alert in it and just searched wild weather by the author and found what I was looking for. So here's the LCCN, the ISBN numbers, by Carson DeLosa Publishing. It's meant for K through 3 students. It's also in the AR program worth half a point. And some subjects I chose were weather, earth sciences, thunder, lightning, storms, and it is also nonfiction. The next one is All Kinds of Weather by Caroline Hutchinson. And this is another one where tidal wave didn't have the LCCN. I think I may have had too many C's, LCCN. So I went onto the Library of Congress website and found it. It is by MARC Learning in 2010. It's also in a series called Rising Readers, and they publish different categories of books. This one's under the science category, meant for K through 3 students. And some subjects were weather, rain, snow, or sciences. And the last one was The Best Book of Weather by Simon Adams, published by Kingfisher in 2008. Hornbook reviewed it in 2002, as well as School Library Journal in 2002. It's meant for K through 3 readers. It's worth 1 point in the AR program. Some subjects I chose were weather, meteorology, earth sciences, kind of the same as the other ones, hurricanes, storms, and it is also nonfiction. And that is it. Thanks, guys.